Sparky Sparks here, and I have new hair. This one is by Ellen Wille, and the color is Hot Hazelnut, and the style, Girl Mono. So let's take a look at her. What I like to do is spray a little bit of water. I'm just using an empty bottle of my Smooth. And what I love most about this style is that it's off of my shoulders. So when I'm wearing bulky sweaters or sweaters at all, this isn't going to get tied up in knots at the nape of my neck. Has velvet ear tabs that kind of adjust like this. Look at the hairline. Beautiful hairline. Gorgeous color. Hazelnut is one of my very all-time colors. This reminds me of my very best friend's hair and all of her kids. I think all of her kids have this kind of hair, this curly. I've never had curly hair. So it's kind of a surprise at first to look at myself with curly hair. But what fun, right? That's the beauty about wigs. You can try them on, you can wear curly hair for a day or an afternoon or for all day. And I think that's a big thing to remember. This isn't a permanent choice. This is just fun. And if you have curly hair, I really encourage you to think about this wig because she is special. Beautiful.